back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prevent that embarrassing cough. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent it with just simple home remedy. This home remedy is going to stop the environment you receive out there. So before that, I would love you to please subscribe to my channel. Hit on that particular red subscribe button. Don't fail to hit on it. And also click on the notification bell. You see that bell up there staring at you? Please click on it so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get right into the video of the day. Okay, what we'll be needing here is aloe vera. Aloe vera has some anti-inflammatory property in it, so it's very good for this home remedy to treat cough. What again we'll be needing is honey. Honey, as you know, increases athletic performance and also reduces cough and throat irritation. So we'll be needing just these two ingredients to prepare this home remedy. Okay, I'm going to start with my aloe vera. I'm going to cut a little part of it. Okay, guess that will do for now. I'm going to cut out the edges this way. Okay. Because it's the gel we'll be needing. Okay, so I'm going to bring my cup closer. Okay, just watch me do this. This is how to get the gel out. The easiest way to get it out, we get it like this. Yes, it's the easiest way, you can see. Okay, okay. 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 This is it. This is the gel already. That's the easiest way to get the gel out. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, don't need this. Okay, this is it. You can see the gel inside the cup. Look at it there. So that's the perfect way to get it out. Okay. Okay, you see, it's that easy. It's that easy. If you don't have a blender, because some people prefer using blender, but this I don't need that. So okay, here we go. Okay, wow, that's that. Easiest way to get the gel out without needing a blender. You can see, very easy. Okay. So if you think of getting your gel, the aloe vera gel out, that's the easiest way to do it. Because if you put it in a blender, it might take a little bit of time. Since you don't need more of it, since you need a little of it, okay? So you don't need a blender for this. No, give screaming it that way till you get everything out. Okay. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. 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 Okay, I have to get a kitchen towel to clean my hand. Okay. Okay. This is my gel. This is gel, the aloe vera gel. As you can see, I've gotten the real what I wanted. No lump in it, so it's that easy. You can see there's no lump in it, it's just the gel. Okay, I'll be needing a teaspoon of honey since the aloe vera gel is not much, so I'll be needing a little bit of honey, teaspoon of honey. Okay, this is my honey. This is it. Okay. Okay, I've already added a teaspoon of honey. I'm going to add one more. Okay, since the aloe vera is not much, you can add a teaspoon of it or 1.5 teaspoon of it. You stir it together. Okay. Okay. Please don't fail to stir it very well. Okay, you can see. You can see. This is the honey and the aloe vera gel. Is that easy? I'm going to take this myself. I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you the part that I'm taking it, but I'm going to drink it because I can't let this waste. That's so important to me. So, see my honey and aloe vera gel. See? It's very, very good for cough, dry cough, or any kind of cough. Okay? You see? It's that easy. It's that easy. Okay. Sorry, I have to take this. Okay. Finish taking it. So it's that easy to prepare. You can prepare it for your child, but please, when you're giving it to a child of below 12 years, make it a teaspoon of it. If it's an adult, 1 full spoon is okay.